Communicate something to. Communicate with. Compare with, to. Compensate somebody for. Compete for. Compete with. Complain about. Complain of a pain. Compliment somebody on. Compromise on, over. Compromise with. Conceal something from. Concentrate on. Confess to. Confide in. Confide something to. Conform to. Confuse with. Congratulate somebody on. Connect something to, with. Consent to. Consider for. Consist in. Consist of. Contact. Continue with. Contrast something with. Contribute to. Convince somebody of. Cooperate on, in. Cooperate with. Cope with. Correspond to, with. Cost. Count on. Cover something in, with. Criticize somebody for. Cross. Cure somebody of. Cut on. Cut something from. Cut something with.